I just got back from Ulta and I'm like not cute at all. I'm in my sweatshirt and my glasses, but I was like, I want to film an Ulta haul. So I have my Ulta bag right here and I can't wait to show you guys what I got. The first two things I got were some lashes. I love these Eylure lashes. These are the mink lashes and I think it's like Baroku lashes, but they're super duper pretty. I cannot wait to try these out. They're super long and feathery. And then these lashes are Vegas Nay lashes. I've actually tried hers before and they're also really, really pretty. If you guys can see those right there. These were like buy one get one 50% off, which was cool. The next thing I got were these Smashbox highlighters. They're called Halo Highlighting Wands. And one is in the shade Pearl and then the other is in the shade Gold. I cannot wait to try these out. I'll go ahead and open it up so you guys can see what the sticks look like. I'm not going to show you what the inside looks like yet because I want to do a review on these and I promise it will be out very soon because I cannot wait to try these out. But this is what the packaging looks like and then this is what the wand looks like. So you basically just press it up and all of the product comes out onto the brush and then you can kind of just swipe it on your face. So I saw these and I was like, I have got to have those because I love liquid highlighters. So I'm super duper excited about these. So the next thing I got were these Pillow Plumping Lip Glosses by Soap & Glory. I saw these and I was like, oh, extra, extra large lips? Yes, ma'am, I need those. So they were buy one, get one 50% off too. And I really wanted to try them. I think they were like 10 to 12 bucks. This shade is Nude to Town. And then this shade is Clairvoyant. I think that's how you say it, I'm not really sure. It's just like this sparkly clear lip gloss shade, but I think it's going to be really pretty for like a natural everyday look where you just want a little bit of gloss with some sparkle and you'll have big full lips. So I cannot wait to try those out. Next two things I got were by Becca. This is their Lavender Primer and it's supposed to fix fatigue, dullness, dehydration, puffiness, fine lines, and a bad face day. So you put this on, you're gonna have a good face day. And I put it on the back of my hand and it's very purpley, but it looked very brightening and refreshing, so I can't wait to try this out. And then this one is their new Soft Light Blurring Powder. I love Becca's packaging. It's just so luxurious and pretty. This is their Soft Light Blurring Powder in the shade Golden Hour. And this was actually the only shade they had, but I think it can work for several skin tones. It's more of like a medium color skin tone, but I think light skin can kind of wear this as well. And I put it on the back of my hand and it was very blurring. So I cannot wait to try this product out. I love when products say that they're blurring because I have a lot of imperfections I would like to cover. So this is going to be awesome. I'm going to try those out and do a review on those as well. I saved my favorite for last. This is the Tartiste Pro Palette and this is their new eyeshadow palette that looks gorgeous. This is so pretty. Okay, so you get all these matte shades and then you get these sparkly shades too. But the first one I swatched that I will swatch for you guys right now is called Ethereal. And this is the color that I was like, I've got to get this palette. It's so pretty. I'm obsessed with all these, so I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this, so just be on the lookout for that. So that is all, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick Ulta haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!